Today we'll be covering understanding liquidity like a pro, M1 mastery, smart money traps. So this will be a super advanced video. So if you're feeling overwhelmed and I'm going too fast, don't hesitate in watching the video multiple times. Even if you're like at medium or even slightly advanced level, don't hesitate in repeating this video multiple times and try to backtest it and really understand it for yourself after you watch the full video, because there's gonna be insane value in this. So yeah, be ready and let's get to it. So we're dropping down. We have a major liquidity right here. I marked it out, H4 liquidity. We're at Friday, first Friday of the month, so you already know NFP. You can see it by the move here. We're dropping down. You can say like we're doing a liquidity cycle right here. Like we were in London, we were dropping, breaking structure. We gave out a fake BOS. I'm gonna mark it in purple. Everything that's in purple is like smart money traps kind of thing. You can see we're breaking structure and then boom, just liquidate everyone that was placing themselves here. And then you got like this protected high or strong high, whatever you would like to call it, when we break inducements and then we go the way. Because if you've seen my video, you already know that price doesn't move like this. Price moves like high, low, high, boom, breaks inducement. Now this is a strong low. Now we break higher, breaking higher, and then broke lower, another strong low, and then you buy to then go higher. So this is how price moves, right? If you've seen the last, I don't know if it's the last video, but it's a structure video. So yeah, we're dropping lower. We got this valid zone, which has been tested, which now has been tested during Asia. We broke the inducement right here. Again, the inducement is just like a fake low. Whenever you get the right movement or retest, like whenever you get the strong low, strong high or strong low, you'll have like smaller retests that don't really retest it and leave imbalances between the higher, lower high, the secondary high in this case, the imbalance, and the POI of the significant high. So we broke it. So now we have another real inducement against strong high, which is marked by these blue boxes. We're having Asia. Okay. We're having Asia. We got reasons to come down. We have the previous daily low and we have our H4 liquidity. Okay. So right now we're dropping to the M1. We're dropping to the day. And let's see. We have the correct movement right here, right? You can see we had this liquidity right here, if this thing wants to, yes, which was also like giving double bottoms in Asia. So as soon as price broke this, and if you anticipate, trading Asia is very important, session liquidity is very important, especially Asia if you're trading like European and American pairs, anything that's not in an Asian pair, of course. Price drop this, and again, liquidity is just, and the way I place myself is placing myself after everyone has been taken out. So here we took out support and resistance traders, okay, because they were seeing these touches and they were placing themselves around here. Boom, we got them out. Then we took out the liquidity. We made an initiation or a fake breaker structure for smart money traders. Smart money traders, they see a they see a run of liquidity, they see a breaker structure, and they try to long it at the POI. But then that's when I come in, like we take them out as well. So we took out support resistance traders, we took out smart money traders, and we came to break inducement right here from the low that was right here. Okay, so small little liquidity to get taken to fill the imbalances of the previous low. So now we got all these traders taken out. We got the fake breaker structure, boom, smart money trap. Now I got the real inducement and the real breaker structure. Once the real breaker structure happens, you can place yourself, and as I like to do in my strategy, I like to place myself in the inducement. So you have some imbalance, you have like I was saying, boom, you have the real breaker structure, and then you just place yourself on the inducement right here, and the protected low is right here, so you shouldn't come lower and just continue to shoot higher. So yeah, and essentially the MSU logic is because this was a trap. Right now this will become a trap. You understand? Because smart money traders are gonna look at this and, oh, we're actually wrong, we're not actually bullish, we're actually bearish. So right now they're gonna look at this as a protected high, but they were right all along on the initial position. So we write it out. We had our accumulation was all of this. We have our manipulation taking everybody out, and now we got the distribution, AMD. I also made a video on that. And yeah, as you can see, like we're on a smart money trap. We're incentivizing smart money traders to come in because we're giving them some movement to the downside. And now, is this my? I don't know what's this. I think it was me. Yeah, sorry about that. So now we can continue to add positions because we know this inducement will be taken out. Because then again, like I was saying, this is like the secondary high, which you want to call it. That's the gap that's in the gap of the imbalance and the order block of the real inducement. Because this doesn't mean shit, because this didn't take out liquidity. Okay? This didn't took any. So this is your strong high. And valid order block, of course. So then again, you can add this another position. We had this been tested, the order block, which everybody is placing themselves around here. Again, support resistance traders are seeing this massive resistance. Smart money traders, I'm seeing we drop lower. So now we're coming to retest it and drop lower again. But that's not what is going to happen, right? We give them a small initiation, and because we know this will become a trap, we can buy it here. Take out the inducement again, put your stop loss in the protected low that took liquidity once again. Again, your strong lows, strong highs is liquidity. It's not the basic structure you'll see like this. Okay? It's like I was saying. And then we end up taking the real high. The real high, not the inducement, sorry. And test the high of Asia that was protected as well. Okay? And this will give enough movement to NFP, for NFP to happen. Enough lots. NFP will have enough liquidity to move. Because then again, they need lots, essentially. We're not gonna go to all of that. But yeah, and then we're just entering ourselves on the movement on the spot. We're not waiting for the whole movement to happen, so everybody's gonna see it, right? And then once we come lower, like everybody's placing themselves around here, okay? Because they will see this as valid break of structure instead of a liquidity, like dumbasses. So yeah, then NFP just runs. You can place yourself on the double breakup structure. You see this, you place yourself, and then you get it. Obviously, don't trade NFP because risky as fuck. But that's about it, guys. And another advice I can give you is don't trade like this. Don't trade the inside all of this range. Don't trade internally. Normally, I don't trade internally. Just like I'm trying to kind of adopt scalping trading to my trading now, and I do take some internal trades. But if you really want the best movements and the best risk to reward and the best likelihood success rate trades, you'll trade externally. So after the range, because all of this shit is just noise, and for you to master this, you can't master this in days. You have to backtest for months and months to get to this level. Okay, so then you have the all NFP movement to break the H4 lows, and then we just move again. And this is just recent, guys. I'm recording this at the 14th of October, and I'm just giving you moves that happened last week. So for you not to say this is bullshit, okay? Because then again, once I'm covering advanced subjects, people don't understand shit, and because they don't understand it, they just come to comment like, ha ha ha, what are you talking about? Like, because you don't understand it doesn't mean like I'm the dumb one, okay? And just because I don't have ICT balls in my mouth doesn't mean like I don't know how to trade. So open your mind, listen to what I'm saying, and maybe, matter of fact, open your journal and you'll maybe see why you're losing. So then again, we got NFP dropping, and we know we have to retrace the NFP movement, of course, because like market is ain't gonna leave like this massive candle downwards like forever. So we gotta retrace it. So we got a small initiation for traders to retrace it, and then we just trap them again. And maybe then you can long it here. But then again, it's not a solid zone. We got this range. Okay? And then you got the real movement. Because we're giving like false hope that we're going up here, and then we break it. But the Monday of next week is more interesting. Where we had this movement right here that I was talking about that broke this small little range. So now it's protected. I have this inducement, this low that doesn't mean shit. Broke it. Matter of fact, I'm going too fast. We broke Asia right here. We're going lower, giving small initiation to the upside, breaking structure, but still we have this inducement right here, and price is saying to people like, get on this because this is the low. Okay, we're giving them a fake breaker structure. We're breaking Asia. Now because we broke Asia, all of this shit is also a smart money trap. Okay, because we're breaking structure lower, everybody's playing themselves around here, and then we take out Asia. And even when we take Asia, like we give small initiation to the outside, then we break, and we come test it. I mean, I'd have to go on the seconds maybe. Let me just zoom out. Maybe it's a bit better for you guys. And then yeah, you could short it here because this was a trap. Right now this will become a trap. Okay, because they're all seeing this. This was a liquidation, not a breaker structure, but they will long it anyways because they don't give a fuck. They will just see the break of structure, put the point of interest and long it that way. That's their logic. So now we had the real inducement testing out the order block of the valid zone, and just before it you can see more fake breaks of structure to just incentivize traders to come and trade this order block, and then they get taken out. Support resistance traders, smart money traders, whatever, cause this 1 touch, 2 touch. But I mean, if you're a smart money trader and you're placing yourself around here, like I can't really help you, cause like you're placing yourself on support essentially. So you're trading the same way as the support and resistance traders. Like I've been saying this, but yeah, some people just like keep defending it like it's the holy grail of trading. So yeah, because this was a trap, you already know this will become a trap. Okay, and you just take advantage of the movement. And we go to the previous daily high. Not the previous daily high, but the inducement of the imbalance of NFP. And right now, excuse me, because I've changed the time frame, so now I gotta go back on this motherfucker. So yeah, we broke this inducement right here to come test the big ass imbalance of the NFP. Alright. But also you can say like this was resistance for smart money traders, price testing around here, incentivizing traders to come in by this break of structure. Okay. And then we just take everybody else that is placing themselves around here. Smart money traders are seeing this run of liquidity, initiations, break of structure, but then we're smarter. We always wait for a double liquidation, double run of liquidity, whatever you want to call it. Like, stay calm, don't get in the trade after you see the initiation. We run it again, trapping smart money traders. Now that super resistant traders, smart money traders have been taken out, you place yourself, like you can see here. And then, because this was a trap, this will become a trap. And this took out this, right? But we're still on a downwards movement because there's still efficiency with the price on the higher time frame. And we have this inducement right here as well from this movement that I really didn't take it. Okay, so we move out to another day. Another day we have the previous daily high that was taken. We have this massive trend line. Okay, we took out Asia highs, and even you can see support resistance traders. Asia highs getting a lot of liquidity. We run that. Okay, we seep that liquidity. Smart money traders are getting interesting now because we break structure, fake breaker structure. Boom, another run of liquidity. Smart money traps. Willing this one right here, and you can place yourself like this. And I'm saying all of this, and you can, because this was a trap, this will become a trap, and you can just trade all these inducements right here. Because, like I was saying, this is how structure really moves. Broke inducement, you go high, lower. Break inducement, go lower. Break insignificant high, you go lower. This right here, insignificant, break, go lower. And then if you want to be more conservative, you can wait for the break of this. For the break of this even, this is also inducement right here that I forgot to mention. And then you watch it get broken. You wait for a small little breaker structure internally and just test it out. In this case, you could have tested the inverted fair value gap. You have the old FEG, you have the new FEG, and it's like a big magnet to the price. And then you can just come to the Asia low or target the inducement. And basically, guys, I'm not just saying like this because it's like before price action, because like this is all in the past and stuff. But I can show you on the Discord. We have this on the 7. Okay, let's go back to the 7. To the 7, I wasn't trading this internal bullshit, But I said this can be an internal risky, more risky play. Besides the break of the range, lower we have MSU traps, H4, low, red line, another big liquidity, and inefficiency in price. And if you can see, we had already broke this and gave the initiation, and I was already saying this will be a smart money trap. We need another run of liquidity to the inducement, like I was saying, and then we can get the movement. Like price didn't do this, but it trapped people that was placing themselves around here, because then I took this, and that's what happened. You can see it here. Was it this? No. Was it? It was this. Okay, sorry. I didn't wait for this inducement on the 1 minute, but I guess on higher time frames it was this. So that was my bad. But once you read price quite well, like you'll see that yeah, because it was this run liquidity, this initiation, and then another trap, and then I placed myself around this area or something. But once you read price quite well, you can at least get some break-evens out of it. Because my strategy includes a lot of break-evens. Just because like I read price enoughly well to get at least a break-even, to get at least an initial move. Or just trapping everybody out. That's why I'm incorporating the scalp strategy. Because the scalp strategy is just like trading the MSU essentially. Trading these kind of traps, the smart money traps, on more eternal basis, like from here to here essentially. It's what I'm trying to adopt on my trading. And then on the okay, we can move this. I'll break even. You can see USD vision. Okay, we had the trend line. We had first run of liquidity, like I was saying, and then like I was showing you guys, first run of liquidity, and then you have the correct one. But I didn't took this. I think I was in the gym, but you can see didn't took this, but matched the vision I gave this morning. I'm giving you this all for free. You can join this first link in the description, and you can see it could have been a beautiful trade. Could have been a beautiful one. And then we just had price breaking lower and then stuff. The video is already getting long, but I hope you repeat this shit. Go on the I don't know, TradingView, FX replay, and just backtest this. And see if you can get the same vision. That's how I got grades. My mentor was doing these kinds of videos, and I just watched them again and again, and trying to backtest and trying to get exactly the same vision as him, exactly the same trades. And this is how you become better. It's not by leaving this video, then jerking off, then you don't remember anything. You gotta do the homework, guys. Okay, gotta put in the work. At this level, you won't reach it in a matter of days. Maybe some months, but this takes a lot of work. I mean, becoming a profitable trader takes a lot of work. So yeah, don't subscribe if you don't think, if you don't like that I'm saying you can't get a Lambo in 3 months of trading. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.